Introducing the next evolution in adventure wearables. Garmin Fenix 9 Pro. Garmin Fenix 9 Pro isn't just another smartwatch, it's poised to be a complete game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts, athletes, and anyone who demands performance beyond the basics. It's more than a piece of tech, it's a bold step toward redefining what rugged, reliable, and intelligent wearables can truly offer. The Fenix line has long been the go-to for explorers, endurance athletes, and those who thrive in extreme conditions. And like other smartwatches that lean toward fashion or casual fitness, Garmin's focus has always been on durability, precision, and advanced functionality. And now, with the Fenix 9 Pro, that mission seems ready to reach new heights. Display innovation, brighter, tougher, smarter. One of the most anticipated updates is the introduction of a micro-OLED display, a major shift from Garmin's typical MIP memory in pixel screens. While MIP has been known for conserving battery, it can't compete with OLED in terms of clarity and color vibrancy. Micro-OLED, however, offers the best of both worlds, brilliant brightness and superior energy efficiency. This means clear visibility whether you're trekking under the harsh desert sun or navigating snowy trails. Better visibility isn't just convenient, it's essential for safety, especially when relying on your watch for maps or vital health data in remote areas. Plus, micro-OLEDs are more resistant to scratches and image burn-in, making them ideal for rugged adventures. Truly untethered, LTE connectivity. Another major leap forward could come in the form of built-in LTE. This would allow users to make calls, send messages, and access emergency features without needing a connected smartphone. For those who often venture for off-the-grid climbers, backcountry skiers, solo travelers, this means a huge upgrade in independence and safety. Imagine being able to share your live location or send an SOS alert from a remote canyon or snowy peak all without a phone in sight. With LTE, the Fenix 9 Pro would not just be smarter, but life-saving. Health monitoring that goes deeper. Garmin is already known for its strong fitness and wellness features, but the Fenix 9 Pro might take things to a more clinical level. The addition of ECG functionality used to detect irregular heart rhythms could bring medical-grade monitoring to a new audience of endurance athletes and adventurers. Combined with heart rate variability HRV tracking, this allows users to understand not just their exertion, but how their body is recovering, adapting, and managing stress. Smarter sleep tracking and stress analysis could also be on the way, giving users a full-body view of their health and readiness. Navigation mastery, precision. Wherever you are, Garmin has long been respected for GPS accuracy, and the Fenix 9 Pro looks to reinforce that reputation. The addition of multi-band GNSS support would mean even more reliable positioning, even in areas with signal challenges like forests, canyons, or urban environments. Improved offline maps, faster loading, and more intuitive navigation tools could make this device an invaluable tool for expeditions, trail running, or even city exploration. Hands-free control and smarter interactions. Expect smoother interaction features too. Gesture controls and voice commands may make operating the watch more seamless during activities where using buttons or screens is impractical, like running, swimming, or wearing gloves. Imagine starting a workout or scrolling through stats with a flick of the wrist or a voice prompt. Battery life. For the long haul, battery life has always been a Garmin strength, and it seems the Fenix 9 Pro will push it even further. With improved solar charging and energy efficiency from the micro-OLED display, users could see up to 4 weeks of battery life in smartwatch mode, even with GPS tracking enabled for multiple days. For adventurers on multi-day hikes or expeditions with limited charging options, this could be one of the watch's most powerful features. Release window and expected price. Garmin typically updates the Fenix series every couple of years. Since the last major release came out in early 2022 and the Fenix 8 hasn't been officially announced, signs point to a late 2025 or early 2026 debut for the Fenix 9 Pro. Given the rumored upgrades, don't expect it to come cheap. The base solar model may start around $850, with high-end versions featuring materials like titanium or sapphire possibly reaching $1,200 or more. If LTE is included, a monthly subscription may be required as well. Final thoughts. Built for those who push limits, Fenix 9 Pro looks like it could be the most complete outdoor smartwatch Garmin has ever made. From the upgraded display and health tracking to real-time communication and next-gen navigation, every improvement addresses real needs faced by those who live and train beyond the ordinary. Whether you're summiting mountains, racing ultras, or simply looking for a watch that won't fail you when it matters most, the Fenix 9 Pro might just be worth the wait.